Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Liver. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Liver has broken out a quite big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared with you almost 4 days ago. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, the price line is stuck inside in another up channel. And recently on the daily time frame chart, it has formed another descending triangle as well. Here we have the support of this descending triangle. And this is the downtrend line resistance. And now the price line is once again reached the resistance of this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Liver that I shared a few days ago on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 17% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Liver that I shared on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that never formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied more than 17%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Liver. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that recently we have found this horizontal support approximately at 31.8.00318, and the downtrend and resistance. And this is the formation of a descending triangle. Movement is getting squeezed inside this support and resistance of the triangle. And the price is moving very close to this uptrend line, a quite long-term uptrend line support of this channel as well. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down the support of this triangle. However, in case of breaking down the support, the target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at 2797. And in case of breaking out, the target to the upside will be here at $0.0045. And after that, it can also, in my opinion, it can also hit the resistance of this up channel as well. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price line has already broken out this down channel and a falling wedge pattern. And after that, you can see that we had a very massive rally, by the way, from this low to here. So far, it has rallied almost 440%. And now we need to break out this resistance, this downtrend and resistance of this triangle in order to continue this rally to the upside. However, so far, a very big move due. That is a target for the breakout from these two patterns. And over there, we have a quite long-term resistance as well, and that resistance is here at $0.0054. And that is the target for the breakout from these two patterns as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.